Hello, good morning. Is this seat free?
Good morning. Yes, of course. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much. My name is Arif. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Arif. I'm Emma.
Are you new to this English speaking club?
Yes, this is my first day here. I wanted to improve my communication skills and make new friends. What about you?
Actually, this is also my first day. I have been learning English for a while, but I still feel nervous when I speak.
I understand. Many people feel that way. The important thing is to keep practicing.
Exactly. That's why I joined this club. I believe practice is the key to speaking English confidently.
I completely agree. By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. I live in Chattogram. It's a beautiful city with hills, rivers, and the sea. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada, and I live in Toronto. It's a modern city with many beautiful parks and tall buildings.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to visit Canada someday.
You're always welcome. And I'd love to visit Bangladesh too. I've heard the people there are very friendly.
Yes, they are. Hospitality is an important part of our culture.
That's wonderful. So, what do you do?
I'm a student. Besides studying, I enjoy learning English and creating educational content for YouTube. What about you?
I'm also a student. I'm studying English literature because I enjoy reading books and learning about different cultures.
That's interesting. Do you read books every day?
Yes, I try to read at least 30 minutes every day. Reading helps me learn new vocabulary and improve my speaking.
Yes, but sometimes native speakers talk too fast. It's difficult for me to understand everything.
Don't worry. Start with slow English videos. As you practice more, you'll understand faster conversations.
Thank you for the advice. I'll definitely try that.
You're welcome. What do you usually do in your free time?
I like playing cricket, listening to music, reading simple English stories, and making YouTube videos. How about you?
I enjoy reading novels, cooking, traveling, and spending time with my family. I also like meeting new people because I learn something new from every conversation.
That's a wonderful way to think. I also enjoy talking to people because every conversation teaches us something.
Exactly. By the way, what's your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to become a software engineer. At the same time, I want to help people learn English through my YouTube channel.
That's a fantastic dream. I hope you achieve it.
Thank you so much. And what about you?
I want to become an English teacher. I love helping students become more confident.
I'm sure you'll be a great teacher because you explain things so clearly.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
May I ask you one more question?
Of course, go ahead.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
Someone once told me, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward success. I always remember those words.
That's really inspiring. Sometimes I avoid speaking English because I'm afraid of making mistakes.
Don't think that way. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. The only difference is that they never gave up.
You're right. From today, I'll practice speaking English every single day.
That's the spirit. Consistency is more important than perfection.
I feel much more confident after talking to you today.
I'm happy to hear that. I enjoyed our conversation too.
Would you like to meet again tomorrow?
Sure. There's a nice coffee shop near this club. We can meet there tomorrow afternoon.
That sounds like a great idea. We can continue practicing English together.
Exactly. See you tomorrow at 3 p.m.
See you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.